What's up, smarty people? It's KeysDAN with RadioWhat.com, DJLittleRock.com, coming to you live in living color from the Radio What studios. And this is my podcast, What Makes You Smarter? It's an extension of the RadioWhat.com internet radio station that I've been running for quite some time. And if you need DJ services, where do I always send you? DJLittleRock.com. One more time, DJLittleRock.com. Check availability and get a free price quote, and maybe you could have me at your next event. You know I like to party with the people. Also, if you'd like to tell your story or hear the stories of others, I encourage you to check out my other podcast. It's called What Makes You Famous. Find it everywhere using the hashtag What Makes You Famous. Now, on with the show. Today on the program, hey, what do you know about space? What do you know about space terms? Can you speak the language of the stars? Well, let's give you 12 astronomical terms that'll help you be a little bit smarter when you're talking about space. I know that was a cheap effect. A science as ancient as astronomy has generated an immense number of terms to define its many discoveries, from the ethereal solar wind to the explosive allure of starburst galaxies. These terms not only describe scientific phenomena, but also illustrate the rich history and cultural influences that have shaped their existence. Let's navigate linguistic cosmos where words express the most varied types of celestial wonders. Celestial wonders. Number 1, celestial sphere. A celestial sphere is a fundamental concept in astronomy, acting as both a theoretical construct and a visual aid in understanding the apparent distribution of celestial objects from Earth. Picture an imaginary transparent sphere surrounding our planet, with Earth at its center. The celestial sphere provides a convenient reference frame for astronomers to map and describe the positions of stars, planets, and other celestial bodies as they appear to an observer on Earth. Number 2, constellation. Derived from the Latin word constellatio, meaning set of stars, constellations are groupings of stars that, when viewed from Earth, appear connected to create a recognizable shape or figure. These celestial configurations have served as both navigational aids and mythological storytelling tools across diverse cultures throughout history. Also, beyond their aesthetic purpose, constellations are vital to astronomers, providing a celestial coordinate system for locating objects in the sky. How many celestial bodies can you see? How many constellations can you remember? I know that the Archer, Orion, that's pretty much the only one I can see most of the time. And the Big Dipper and the Little Dipper, yes, I can pick those out. I can pretty much pick those out at certain times of the year. What can you pick out? Number 3, dwarf planets. Dwarf planet refers to a specific category of celestial bodies that share characteristics with both planets and asteroids. Dwarf planets typically occupy the outer reaches of the solar system, with Pluto, don't get me started, serving as the most famous member. The designation sparked debates and discussions about the nature of planetary identity, prompting a reevaluation of how we define and categorize objects in our cosmic neighborhood. Number 4, aphelion. Aphelion. The mysterious word aphelion marks a pivotal moment in a celestial body's orbit, representing the farthest point from the sun, derived from the Greek words apo, meaning away, and helios, meaning sun. Aphelion occurs when a planet or asteroid or comet reaches the maximum distance in its elliptical journey around our star. Earth, for instance, experiences aphelion in early July each year. The term illustrates the dynamic nature of celestial mechanics and the intricate interplay that governs the movements of celestial bodies within our system. Pretty cool. Number 5, equinox. A somewhat more terrestrial word than the previous examples, equinox defines the celestial alignment where day and night achieve perfect equilibrium, marking two pivotal moments in Earth's orbit around the sun. Derived from the Latin words aqueous, meaning equal, and nox, meaning night, this astronomical event occurs twice a year, during spring and autumn. During these periods, the plane of Earth's equator intersects the center of the sun, resulting in nearly equal durations of daylight and darkness across the globe. Number 6, A-type star. The letter A-type star, designates a specific class of luminous celestial bodies. These stars have surface temperatures ranging between 7,500 and 10,000 Kelvin, rendering them hotter than our sun. A-type stars, often found in young stellar clusters, have a bluish-white radiance and well-defined spectral lines, revealing a composition rich in hydrogen and helium. Number 7, Facula. F-A-C-U-L-A. No, not Dracula. Facula. Coming from the Latin word facula, meaning a little torch or a bright spot. Faculae are intricate and ephemeral features found on the sun's surface. Comprising bright patches, they emerge in regions of intense magnetic activity, revealing the complex interplay of magnetic fields on our star's luminous surface. These luminous phenomena are often associated with the presence of sunspots. Studying faculae not only enhances our understanding of solar magnetism, but also offers insights into the sun's influence on space weather and Earth's climate. Number 8, heliosphere. The heliosphere is a vast dynamic domain shaped by the sun's ceaseless influence, extending far beyond its visible surface. Originating from the Greek words helios, meaning sun, and sphera, S-P-H-A-I-R-A, meaning sphere, this term defines the immense region dominated by the sun's solar wind and magnetic field. Stretching beyond the orbit of Pluto, the heliosphere acts as a protective shield, deflecting cosmic rays and interstellar particles within the entirety of the solar system and a significant region of space beyond it. Oh my. Number 9, nebula. Coming from the Latin word for cloud or mist, nebulae are vast clouds of gas and dust scattered throughout the cosmos, serving as the celestial nurseries for stellar birth or the remnants of dying stars. These luminous formations take on a variety of shapes and sizes, from the ethereal glow of emission nebulae to the dark, intricate patterns of absorption nebulae. Nebulae play a pivotal role in the cosmic cycle of creation and destruction, acting as the cosmic crucibles where stars forge their existence and, in their demise, release enriched elements back into space. Number 10, solar wind. A mysterious expression indeed. Solar wind conjures the invisible yet powerful exhalation from our sun that shapes the dynamic environment of the solar system. Coming from the English word winden, meaning to twist or turn, this stream of charged particles radiates outward in all directions from the sun. Fueled by the sun's intense heat and magnetic activity, the solar wind influences the behavior of celestial bodies, sculpting the tails and comets interacting with planetary atmospheres and even defining the boundaries of the heliosphere. Number 11, starburst galaxy. Not to be confused with the popular candy, a starburst galaxy unveils a cosmic phenomenon, where celestial fireworks ignite in a burst of stellar creativity. Coined from the vivid imagery it evokes, a starburst galaxy is a galactic system undergoing an exceptionally high rate of star formation. This surge in stellar birth is often triggered by galactic collisions or intense interactions, unleashing an amazing array of new stars across the galactic landscape. Most starbursts occur as a result of galactic interactions. Number 12. I might be saving the best for last. Supermassive black hole. SMBH. A self-explanatory term that almost sounds like science fiction. Supermassive black hole, SMBH, describes a gravitational giant lurking at the hearts of galaxies. Coined from its colossal mass, often millions or even billions of times that of our sun, and SMBH's immense gravitational pull is so powerful that not even light can escape, rendering it invisible to traditional observation methods. These cosmic behemoths play a crucial role in shaping galactic structures and influencing stellar orbits within their domains. The origin of SMBHs remains a puzzle, with theories suggesting their growth through mergers, accretion of surrounding matter, or a combination of both. Pretty cool. Man, that is 12 terms that you could take with you and get a little smarter and keep on learning, speaking the language of stars. 12 astronomical terms. Hey, stick around for more. I like learning stuff. That's it for this edition of What Makes You Smarter. Like, share, subscribe, comment. Let me know what you think. Any astronomers out there? Let me know what you think. Also, if you'd like to tell your story or hear the stories of others, I encourage you to check out my other podcast. It's called What Makes You Famous. Find it everywhere using the hashtag What Makes You Famous. That's it for me. It's KeysDAN, RadioWhat.com, DJLittleRock.com. Peace. I'm out of here.